Gyurme out of Tibet now!
Stop the killings in Tibet!
Stop the killings in Tibet!
Shame on Chinese government!
Shame on Chinese government!
I'm here today because I'm Tibetan. Tibet was an independent country. Right, what you see over here is the 1913 Tibetan Proclamation of Independence. This is the truth. This is a historical fact. 100 years ago, the Dalai Lama has issued this independence and Tibet was a free country. We're here to review China's false claims. And we in Tibet are determined to regain what's rightfully ours.